Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to customize your site header's background. So let's get started. All right, so click on your header and on the action bar, relevant options will appear. So click on Replace Background. Here you'll have the option to change it to a solid color, to an image, or even a video. For colors, you can simply select from your brand color palette or choose from a custom one by selecting a color here on the spectrum. For image and even for video, all you have to do is just upload the file you want to serve as your header's background and also select the color to appear behind it. So feel free to change your header's background however you want to. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.